Alright, so what I'm going to do is take these controls. I know this is such a waste of a perfectly good Allen Bradley switch. A really nice one too, but I'm really just going to use it as the control for my VFD. So these are the motors, or the wire motors. We have the neutral, which is 4. I know it's 3-phase, so it doesn't really matter. It's UVW, whatever. But I'm just choosing to think of this as, since it's, I don't know, I'm just trying to think of it that way. So these two are my hots. This is my neutral that it's going to return on. Not really, it's going to be UVW. But again, I'm gonna push this out. I'm going to take that out, move it around to this side for this hole, so that I can so I can run these wires up through here. From there, I'm going to wire them up to the VFD. Actually, I'm debating whether or not I want to run that there now. I'm thinking about that. Let me think about that.